we're going to go through this one pretty fast. To get the most out of this course, I would recommend making a Gmail account. That's just the first thing you should have. That way we can communicate, but you could also use that Gmail account to make different courses or different accounts, or use that to verify accounts. I recommend having a Gmail. All of these resources are optional, but I just want to give you guys the best tools to move forward. And these will definitely help out in your process of becoming a web developer or learning more about web development. At home, you should have a coding editor, so you can use Glitch or CodePen, but if you want to build your websites on your own, offline internal system, I use Sublime Text, which you can check out, but go ahead and check out Brackets and VS Code, as those are really popular options for coding editors. This is where you're going to write your code that's going to live on your machine at home. It's the way that real web design is done. Make sure you're using the best browser. I've seen people using Internet Explorer. I highly recommend against it for web development. Even Safari, good for testing, good for when you have a complete product, but when you're first working out and first learning, you want to use the best browser, most modern browser available. So make sure you download either Chrome or Firefox on your computer, and then make accounts to all 4 of these. But at the very least, check out the different services on their own and make accounts if you need. Eventually, I'll have a video where we're going to make our GitHub and Glitch accounts, as those are the 2 most important ones. The one thing I do want to advise you, that if you do look at these services and you want to make accounts to get ahead of the game, make the GitHub first, and then use the GitHub account to make the Glitch account. You'll know what I mean when you first go to Glitch. It's going to say, do you want to sign in with Facebook? No, of course not. Do you want to sign in with your email? Sure, but there's another option. So do you want to sign in with GitHub? Use that, and that way both accounts will be linked, which will be important for things we're going to do in the future. These are some Code Academy lessons that I want to recommend. Feel free to check them out. They're free. Don't get the pro service. And just get started with this first one and the second one, and you're going to reinforce everything we learned here today and then some. Highly recommend it. And then, of course, leveraging these 2 free services I think is a good idea. Treehouse for 7 days with these 2 very long courses you can try out. And then when that free trial is done, you can jump over LinkedIn and check out these 2 long courses. And I guarantee if you get through these 4, you're going to be in excellent shape. You might even have all you need. But of course, the in-person and an ongoing instruction here is helpful. These 2 are fully robust courses in and of themselves. And if you can do them within 37 days, you might get them for free. So give it a shot, or pay for the first month and take your time with it. But here are some 4 you could do. And then the resource of W3 Schools, classic. Going through these examples will make you a better coder. I still use it for reference to this day. That's it for me. You can reach me here. You can send me an email, lennyroycodes@gmail.com. It takes me a couple of days to respond, but I can get back to you with specific questions about the course. And you can check out my profiles on these 3 services. Next up, we're going to be doing Intro to CSS, and I'm looking forward to seeing you.